Chudamani, we are going to probably cover one topic, Bodhopalabdhi. Bodha Upalabdhi. The declaration given by the disciple about what he has understood from all the teaching which has gone through. Kinchit kalam samadhaya pare brahmani manasam yuthaya paramananda didam vachanam abravit. So, yesterday when we closed the topic, we have read having heard the teaching, disciple went into a samadhi. Kinchit kalam samadhaya, once after some time, established in the Pare Brahmani Manasam, Vyuthaya, coming out of that, Idam Vachanam Abravit. What he is saying is this. Buddhirvinashta galita pravrittihi brahmatmano ekatayadhigatya idanna janen pyanadi anidam na jane kimva kiyadva sukhamasya param. So he is saying that having attained that oneness of Brahmatmas, I don't know this, I don't know not this as well. Kimva kiyadva, whatever sukhamasya param, that sukham is completely supreme. Vacha vaktum asakyameva manasa mantunnavasikyate. Swanandamruta pura purita maha parabrahmambudhair vaibhavam amborasi visirna varshika sila bhavam bhajanme manaha yasyam syamsa lave vilena madhuna atman anandatmana nirvrutam. So like the mind merged in the water like in the ocean like a sila made up of salt. A salt doll entering in its source, it completely lost its shape, form, and it becomes the ocean itself. In the same way, I am not able to explain vacha vaktum asaktam yena manasa mantum navasiktate. So it is not even imaginable. Swatmananda rasam Mruta pura purita parabrahmambhuder vaibhavam. Such the ocean of Parabrahmananda is can't be explained. It is just like a salt doll entering in the water. Varshika sila bhavam ambhorasi vishirna varshika sila bhavam bhajanme manaha yasyam salave. Like a samsya is a part of the small part of the part. Vilina madhuna is merged in the whole ocean. Anandatmana nivrutam. Kwagatam kenavanitam kutralena midanjagat adhunaiva maya drushtam nastikim mahadadbhutam. So I don't even know where this world went. Kim heyam kimupadeyam kimasyat kim vilakshanam akhandananda piyusha purne brahmamaharnave. What is heyam, what should be left there, what is taken from there, kimasyat, what is that, what is different, akhandananda piyusha purne brahmamaharnave, there is nothing. Nakinchidatra pasyami na srunomi na vedmyaham smatmanaiva sadananda rupena asmi vilakshanaha namo namaste. So there is nothing different from me I can find. Nakinchidatra pasyami, I can't see anything, I can't hear anything, I can't know anything other than the Atma. Namo namaste gurave mahatmane vimukta sangaya saduttamaya nityadvayananda rasaswarupine bhumne sada paradayambudhamne dayambudhamne. So he is bowing down to Guru, saying that Namo namaste gurave mahatmane vimukta sangaya, etc. So Yat kataksha sesisandra chandra chindrikapata dhuta bhavatapaja sramaha praptavanaha makhanda vaibhavananda matra makshayam kshanat. Just in a blink of the time I have got this yat kataksha sesi sandra chindrika pata dhuta bhavatapa vajasramaha. Whole one word, whole line it is. So basically it is saying whose cool light of moonlight falling on me is removing all the srama of all this bhavatapa. Srama is being removed just by the glance of this guru within a moment. Dhanyoham krutakruthyoham vimuktoham bhavagrahat nityananda swarupoham purnoham tvadanugrahat. So I have become dhanyaha, I have become krutakruthyaha, I have attained vimuktoham, I have liberated bhavagrahat by your grace. Nityananda swarupoham purnoham tvadanugrahat. Akartaham abhoktaham avikaroham akriyaha suddhabuddha swarupoham kevaloham sadasivaha. Drashtu srotur vaktur kartur bhoktur vibhinna evaham nitya nirasta nistya nirantara nishkriya nisima asanga purna bodhatma. Nahamidam nahamado vyubhayoravabhasakam param shuddham bahyabhyantara sunyam purnam brahma dvitiyamevaham. Nirupama mananadityam Tvamaham iti kalpanaduram nityanandaikarasam satyam brahmadvitiyamevaham. Narayanoham narakantakoham purantakoham purushohamisyaha akhanda bodhoham asesha shakshi nirishwaroham niraham cha nirmamaha. Sarveshu bhuteshvahameva samstitah jnanatmanantarbahirasrayah san bhokta cha bhogyam swayameva sarvam tadyat pruthak drushtamidam tayapura. What I have seen distinctly earlier, the pruthak drushtam, that has become bhokta bhogyam, the enjoyer and the enjoyed item. Jnatra sarveshu bhuteshvahameva sanstita. What is bhokta? What is ashraya, asri? All these distinctions have gone away. Mayakhanda sudhambodho bahuda vichayaha utpadyante viliyante maya maruta vibhramat. In my akhanda sudhambodho, in the Maya Maruta Vibhramat, Akhanda, all is Bahudha Vishwani Chayaha. Multitude of Vishwas are the multitude of worlds are coming and going. Sthuladibhava Maikalpita Brahmada Aropita Nasphuranena Lokai Kaleyadha Kalpaka Vatsaraya Narvadayo Nishkala Nirvikalpe. In the Nishkala Nirvikalpa self, Sthuladibhava Maikalpita Brahma. These are all getting imagined in me. Aropitam Nasraya Doshakam Bhavet Kadapi Mudhair Matidosha Dhushitait Nardi Karo Tyurasha Bhumi Bhagam Marichikavari Mahapravaha Nardri Garoti. So Marichika, like mirage water, is not wetting any, not creating any wetness in the land. In the same way, all these different things which are being aropitam nasraya doshakam bhavet, what are being imposed or superimposed or projected out of me are not touching me. Akasavat kalpani duragoha maditya sadbhava vilakshanoham aharyavanitya vinischaloham ambodhi vat para vivarjitoham. So like akasavat sarvayatascha nischaha, like space, I have no limits, I have nothing touching me. Name dehena sambandha megheneva vihayanaha ataha kuto me tadharma jagrat swapna shushuptayaha. In me, I don't have any linkage to the Jagrat, waking, dreaming, and deep sleep. Just like Meghas and their Garjanas, all their sound and light coming out of the lightning and all those things which are coming, meghas, they are not touching the space. In the same way, all that not is touching me. Upadhirayati sayeva gacchati sayeva karmani karoti bhunkte sayeva jivat mriyate sadaham kuladrivan nicchala eva samstitaha name pravruttih nachame nivruttih sadaika rupasya niransakasya ఏకాత్మనోయో నిబిడో నిరంతరో వ్యోమేన పూర్ణ న కథం ను చేష్టతే. సో ఉపాధీస్ ఆర్ కమింగ్ అండ్ గోయింగ్. ఆయాతి గచ్చతి సయేవ కర్మణి కరోతి భుంక్తే. దే ఆర్ వర్కింగ్, దే ఆర్ ఎంజాయింగ్. సయేవ జీవత్ మ్రియతే సదాహం. దే ఆర్ లివింగ్, దే ఆర్ డయింగ్. కులాద్రివన్ నిచ్చల ఏవ సంస్థిత. ఐ యామ్ ఎస్టాబ్లిష్డ్ లైక్ ఏ బిగ్ మౌంటైన్, కులా పర్వత ఆర్ మేరు పర్వత or the Mount Everest. Nothing is touching. Name pravrutti, in me there is no activity. Nachame nivrutti, there is nothing going outward, going inward in me. Sadekara upasya niramsakasya. I don't have any amsas, I don't have any limbs, I have only one Sat only ekatmakaha nibidaha, which is ever filled. Nibidaha nirantaraha purnaha sakadham nacheshtate. What work it can do. Punyani papani nirindriyasya nischetaso nirvikrute nirakrute. Kutoma makhanda sukhanubhuter bhute hinanyagatamithyapi srutihi. Punya, papa, the virtue, vices and nirindriyasya, not having any indriyas, any senses. Nischetaso, not having mind. Nirvikrute, there is no transformation. Nirakrute, not having any form. Kutoma makhanda sukhanubhute, akhanda sukhanubhute bhute. How anything can happen from here. Just like in the sushupti, in the deep sleep, there is no action. In the same way I am. Chayaya sprishtamushtam va setam va sushtu dushtu va nasprusetya yatkinchit purusham tadvilakshanam. Chayaya, like the shadow falls. Ushnam va setam va, neither the heat nor the cold is touching. So good and bad, yatkinchit tadvilakshanam. So it is for the shadow, nasprusyate va, it won't touch. So na sakshinam sakshadharma samsprusanti vilakshanam avikaram udasinam gruhadharma pradeepavat dehendriya manodharma naivatmanam sprusantyaho. So like the light is not being touched by the gruhadharmas of the activities happening in the house, in the same way dehendriya manodharma naivatmanam, so they are not touching my atma. Raveryatha karmani sakshibhavo vahneryatha vayasi dahakratvam rajjo ryatha aropita vastu sangaha tadhaiva kotastha chidatmano me. Just like sun is the witness of the day, the vahni, the fire is of the ayasi, of the iron ball appears like fire in its dahakatvam. So it rajjoryatha, on the rajju, on the rope, how the snake is projected, tadhaiva, in the same way kotastham, on me everything is projected. Kartapi va karayita apinaham, bhoktapi va bhojayita apinaham, drashtapi va darsayita apinaham, soham soyan jyotir anidrugatma. I am neither the doer nor the one who is making things, getting things done. Bhoktapi va bhojayita apinaham. I am not the enjoyer, nor I am making any enjoyment possible. Drashtapi va darsayita apinaham, soham soyan jyoti. I am self-effulgent. Anidrugatma. Chalatyupadhau pratibimbalaulia maupadhikam modadhiyo nayanti swabimba bhutam ravivadvinishkriyam kartasi bhoktasi tosminheti. So like upadhi is moving when the underlying water which is reflecting the moon or sun is moving. It appears as if moon or sun is moving, but not really the moon or sun which is moving. In the same way, kartasi bhoktasi hatosmi hanti, I am not anything, I am not moving. Jale vapi stale vapi lotatvesha jadatmaka nahan lipyate tatharmai ghatadharmair nabhoyadha. As in a pot, the items are kept, those qualities are not impacting the space within the pot. The bigger pot, smaller pot, big, small, high capacity, low capacity, having such and such content, having some other content, nothing is touching the space. In the same way, nothing touching me. Kartrutva, bhoktrutva, खलत्व मत्तवा जडत्व बुद्धत्व विमुक्ततादय बुद्धिर्विकल्पा न तु सन्ति वस्तुतः स्वस्मिन् परे ब्रह्मणि केवले द्वये. Neither the activity nor the enjoyment nor badness nor goodness nor release nor bandha nor bondage, nothing, all these vikalpas which are only the transformations of the reality. In the Vastutaha Swasmin Pare Brahmani Kevale Advaye, Kevala Advaya Parabrahma, all these things are being projected. Vastu Vikaraha Prakruter Drasadha Satatha Sahasradha Vapi Tai Kim Me Sangiti Sangachite Nahyambud Ambarod Ambaram Sprusati. So nothing touches the space. In the same way, nothing is touching me. Again, he is giving with a different example. Avyaktadi Sthula Paryantameta Dvisam यत्रा भासमात्रं प्रतीतं व्योमप्रख्यं सूक्ष्ममाद्यन्तहीनं ब्रह्माद्वैतं यत्तदेवाहमस्मि. So from avyakta onwards to the sthola deha paryantam, whatever is there, everything is bhasamatram. So brahmadvaitam yattadevahamasmi, yat tat eva ahamasmi. सर्वाधारम सर्ववस्तु प्रकाशम सर्वाकारम सर्वगम सर्वशून्यम नित्यम शुद्धम निष्कलम निर्विकल्पम ब्रह्माद्वैतम यत्तदेवाहमस्मि. यत् प्रत्यस्ता शेषमाया विशेषम प्रत्यग्रूपम प्रत्यया गम्यरूपमानम सत्यज्ञानानंतमानंदरूपम ब्रह्माद्वैतम यत्तदेवाहमस्मि. निष्क्रियोऽस्मि विकारोऽस्मि निष्कलोऽस्मि निराकृतिः निर्विकल्पोऽस्मि नित्योऽस्मि निरालम्बोऽस्मि निर्द्वयः. सर्वात्मोऽहं सर्वोऽहं सर्वातीतोऽहं अद्वयः केवलाखण्डबोधोऽहं आनन्दोऽहं निरन्तरः. स्वराज्य साम्राज्य विभूतिरेषा भवत्कृपा श्रीमहितप्रसादात् प्राप्ता मया श्रीगुरवे महात्मने नमो नमस्तेस्तु पुनर्नमोस्तु. So disciple again starts to bow down to the Guru. Swarajya Samrajya has been given by you. Vibhutihi Mahaswapne Mayakruta Jani Jaramrutyugahane Brahmantam Klishyantam Bahutaralatapairanukalam Ahankara Vyaghravyadhitamita Matyanta Krupaya Prabodha Praswapat Paramavitavan Manasi Guru Mamasi Guru. Hey Guru, by your Karuna I have got all these things. Namastasmai Sadaikasmai Namas Chenmahase Muhu Yadeva Dviswarupena Rajate Guru Rajate. O Guru Raja, you are the great Guru. Namastasmai, I bow down. Sadaikasmai, you are the truth alone. Namas Chenmahase, you are the Chit alone. So with like this, the disciple actually recounts all his experience, reaffirming the teaching of teaching understood and experienced in the Advaita Siddhi, once having that Siddhi. So this is the longest part, skipped English part. I've just been reading it, but it is very evident that it is being, what is being told by the disciple is the which can't be told by the words, which can't even be imagined by the mind. So it is just flows out with great reverence to the Guru, falling down like a Swarna Danda, like a stick falling when we see the Guru. With that attitude, the grace of Guru is again and again muhur muhuhu bowed down to the Guru. Sishya actually expresses his happiness, bliss, etc. With this, we will close. We ended almost, we reached the 521st sloka is complete. 74th topic is done. We are left only with 3 more concluding topics we will cover in the future days. Swasti.